Hey guys, today we're in a 2020 BMW X3 M40i. We're just going to take it through the usual route and show you what this thing can do. So in this 2020 X3 M40i, we have the infamous B58 tied with the ZF8 speed, which I think is really, really good. I love driving this thing because the transmission is really fast. That's probably my favorite part about this car, other than the amazing engine. So this is a 2020 and it has 382 horsepower, or whatever the number is, over the older 2018 and 2019s that have like 330 horsepower. So, and I think that makes a huge difference. Pretty sure it has a little interior update over the last one too. So to my knowledge, the 2021 and up models have a mild hybrid, which supposedly make it a little peppier, but overall I heard that this exact year, this 2020, feels a little more raw and a little more, maybe a little quicker feeling. I don't know, but we're gonna find out today. But these paddles are so quick. As soon as I touch the paddle, it just shifts however I want it to, and it's not even a dual clutch. It's just a regular 8-speed, regular torque converter, automatic 8-speed, and it can do all of this. I think that's amazing. As I'm sure a lot of you know, this little combination of B58 and ZF8 speed are in the Supra, M340i, 240i, or M240i. It's a very common little setup, and I think that's because it is so awesome. And of course, this car is all-wheel drive, so it puts the power down really great. As you can see, there's a little bit of salt on the roads because we're expecting a lot of snow tomorrow, but I think this car should do just fine in it. Man, this Kia's crammed my style.
Just go slower.
Is there a louder exhaust mode? Oh, muy bueno. Do a little lower speed thing. What gear am I in? Oh, it's third? I'm just thinking second. I love that little fart sound on the shift. It sounds so cool. That's really fun. It just sinks you in your seat a fair amount. I mean, it doesn't have 1,000 horsepower or anything, but for what it is really, really cool. Wow. This thing just goes. Great usable power. This car is an excellent daily driver. It's all-wheel drive. It's a SUV. The seats are really comfortable. The sound system's great. Everything about it's just really comfy, and all while that is going on, this car absolutely rips. So probably just should want to put it in this mode. I like that. That was a good little third gear pull. That felt really nice. I feel like I've seen that guy before. It sounded like a big fart when it went by me. Dude, this car is really fast. What the heck? This thing is actually really surprising me. I didn't know it was this fast. Yeah. I mean, we're hitting pretty high speeds really quickly.
We're up to like 6. Slower.
What speed? That felt good. Oh, dude, that's so fun. Too bad this thing's like getting a little old now. It's 2025, so this car's 5 years old. Dude, we got this car when it was 2 years old, so we get to enjoy a nice warranty. We got an extended warranty on this thing, so we're actually chilling. But this car is really, really fun. And my seatbelt's locking up, so I can't see anything. This car is amazing. It pulls really good, and it gets up to speed really quickly. All right, enough about the amazing things about this car. Not everything about this car is amazing. Of course, every car has its little thing. With this car, it's the steering. It's very numb. It's probably the numbest steering I've ever felt. Haven't driven that many cars, but it's very, very numb. And that's like almost every BMW that I've seen that's not an M. I'm not really sure about the M's, but the M lights and below, the steering is very numb. But it doesn't really matter because the rest of this car is so good. It's excellent. 0 to 60. There's no one behind me. Put this thing in drive. And then let's do a little 0 to 60. Oh my god. Dude, that pulled really hard. Oh my god. That first gear, right when it got to about, remember that voice crack, right when it got to about 4,000 RPMs, it sunk me into my seat. I love all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive with enough power, it really, dude, this thing rips. It's not the fastest car in the world. The 0 to 60 isn't even like that insane. It's like 4 seconds flat, but dude, it is so fun. And you guys have to believe me when I say this. This is honestly a really fun car. I love my Mustang and all, and I would probably take that over this any day just because I love the V8. But this thing is so fun, and it's more fun than the Mustang in some areas, like the 0 to 60. That 0 to 60 was really good. It really, even in the driver's seat, it pushes you back like crazy, and it sounds amazing too. The B58, it sounds so good. Anybody that says the S58 sounds better is on something. I don't know what they're on, but they are on something. People. Oh, good thing the cop didn't see what we were just doing before. Let's put this in manual mode. Even when you're not on the gas, I mean, it's not exactly instantaneous, but the upshifts are really fast. You just have to get in the car and feel it. And I love when you're wide open throttle and you shift it, that little fart sound it makes, and you can kind of feel the shift too. I love it. It's so fun. I wish I could drive this car more often. So for context, this is my mom's car, and it's kind of her daily. Lots of persuasion into getting her to actually get this thing because she is not a car lady. This was my dad using lots of justification and persuasion to to get her to buy it. But thank God we did, because this car is amazing. What kind of mode am I in? This thing's downshifting like crazy. That sport individual? Maybe it's adjusting to my driving or something. Weird. Okay. It doesn't matter. That felt amazing. It pops more. Jeez. Can't pull into my usual spot, so I'm pulling right here. So that is the 2020 BMW X3 M40i. I love this thing. I haven't driven this thing in a while like that, and I love it. It is so good. If any of you are in the market to get something like this, please get it, because it's awesome. Really, really reliable. It's not like the old BMWs, the B58. Super reliable. Can handle a decent amount of power if you want to tune it. I don't think this thing needs to be tuned, but maybe if you're a speed demon, you could do that. But yeah, that concludes this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.